All right, here's another common issue. Dishwashers. If you're having an issue with your dishwasher not emptying, there are two very easy ways to figure out what it is. And it's almost always one, and this is so gross because, like, look at that. There's part of your problem right there. Now, look at that. If you don't take this stuff out and clean it, this is exactly what's going to happen to your dishwasher. And it's going to clog. You see that housing unit? Now all your water wants to leave out here. Once you're done and it's doing its thing and all the water wants to go out, it needs to leave through here, okay? If that's clogged with anything, it's not going to drain. Now, say you've opened it up and there's no issues there. Well, I can tell you that 99% of the time, this is where your issue is at, right where it connects. So your connector, give it a couple spins. You're not going to hurt it. Take it off. In here, if you can see clear into here, that's not where your blockage is. But if your blockage isn't in here, not like this one's obviously filthy. But if that was clear, this is where you're going to go next. And you're going to find food debris built up in here. It's almost never into here because it always stops right here at this hose. So if you're having problems and trying to figure out why your dishwasher won't empty, that's your main reason why. Take all that stuff out, give it a good clean, and you should have no problem after that. Give it a test run once you're done. Again, I hope this helps. Most people have a dishwasher and every now and then it'll start backing up. I hope this helps anybody out there to figure out what their problem is. Again, don't bother calling a plumber. Do this yourself. It's very simple, very easy, usually very quick fixes, and it's usually always these problems. As always, have a great day. Jason X, out.